This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill Form IMM 5713E. This form is essential for families applying for Canadian Immigration Online, allowing one designated family member to act as a representative. This streamlines the application process, ensuring all family members' details are submitted together through a single MyCIC account. It is specifically for family members, not for friends or other non-family representatives. Section A focuses on the family member who will be your representative. This is the person whose MyCIC account will be used for the online submission. You must accurately provide their full family name and given names, ensuring they match their passport or other identification. Also, include their date of birth in the year-month-day format. In Section B, you will list all other family members included in the application. For each person, clearly state their name, date of birth, and their relationship to the representative, such as spouse or child. Crucially, every family member who is 18 years of age or older must personally sign and date this section to grant their explicit permission. Finally, Section C requires the family member representative to declare that all information provided on the form and in the application is truthful and complete. The representative must then sign and date this declaration. Remember, this form often needs to be printed, signed by hand, scanned, and then uploaded as part of your online application package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.